Are you drowning in a tide of emails? Now, why am I asking this? Because I am. And it's a regular thing. And I have someone. This is Joanne, my new collaboration partner. And she is going to help us about, doing it another way. Joanne, welcome. Help us. You have something coming up tomorrow, right?
Yes, thanks, Andre, for having me here. I'm super excited about our collaboration. I do have a workshop tomorrow, and if you can't make it live because it is happening tomorrow, there will be a replay available for a limited time. And it's all around decluttering your email inbox and organizing it so that you feel like you can really show up. So I know you said, like, for you, like, what is that feeling you get when you go into your email inboxes?
And I picked a time, but there is sometimes 1 or 2 days delay before I get to them. And I realize that some people are so switched on
Mm.
that they are expecting answers from me. And we have all kinds of different ways how we operate. Um, and I had a few less than ideal uh, time delay where my answer was far from arriving in time. Help us, help us. What do I do?
Oh, okay, so you're feeling really behind. So I have to first start by saying like this is how this workshop even came to being because last year I had I counted I think I had 78 connection calls last year with entrepreneurs and small business owners. That was just in my calendar. That's not the ones that I signed up for their connection calls. I'm going to say I probably had around 100 conversations last year. And let me tell you what was a common thread through those conversations because I'm an email copywriter, I'm in email marketing. And so email comes up a lot. And this is what I've heard. I do not like going in my email inbox. I do not like checking my emails. It's overwhelming. I can't handle it. There's too many. I'm not even responding. Okay, that's one. Complete overwhelm. They don't even they're basically ignoring their emails because it's just too much for them. Two, they say, I get so many emails from other business owners or entrepreneurs. They're in the entrepreneur world. They also get a lot of email newsletters, all those things. I get too many, but I don't want to unsubscribe because I signed up. I want to keep getting their emails. I'm kind of annoyed. I'm getting a grudge. They're just not, they're not enjoying these emails. Okay. You can just raise your hand if you feel like, okay, this is me. Um, Another one is, I get so much spam. Uh, I just, I just don't like going into my email inbox. Another one is what you just said. I I can't respond in time in the timely manner that I would like to respond in. So either I don't respond or I'm so behind. It takes me hours. I'm just spending hours in my email inbox. And that's not where we want to be, right? Okay. There are so many of these. There's some thinking behind that. So one is okay, there is an organizational logistics piece. Like there is a way to manage your email inbox. There's a way to set up a system. There's a way to set up boundaries, kind of like what you're talking about with, okay, what are my boundaries around how quickly can I respond to someone? What are they expecting from me in terms of response time? And then there's the whole mindset piece, like what are the beliefs that you're having? What are the thoughts that are circling in your head that are actually not serving you? And they're causing you to procrastinate or they're causing you to not do a very important part of your business, which is the people, the people who are trying to contact you, connect with you, and trying to build a relationship specifically in messages and email. And so that's what I see as like the two big pieces is dig into what thoughts you're having and how are they serving you or are they hindering you to help you grow your business? And then the other is, okay, now let's set up some logistics, some systems. And I'm really excited because in the workshop tomorrow, I'm co-hosting it with a collaborator, Mindy Hutt, and she is a professional organizer. And I love working with professional organizers because they are so good with systems, with organizing, but also a lot of them do the coaching, like the emotional coaching piece too, because there's a lot of emotion that goes with when you want to organize your house, but also when you want to organize your digital space, and that includes email. So I'm super excited because Mindy is going to be bringing in her expertise with how to organize and to be able to create a system for your email management and then create a habit she's going to talk about a weekly and a monthly habit that then helps you be able to manage it in a way that feels good to you, that you feel confident, that you're not constantly feeling like you're behind. I'm behind. I need to answer these emails, but I need to do this. We have a billion things to do on our list as entrepreneurs. So we're really prioritizing what's most important.
Absolutely. I do hear you, Joe, and I'm so glad. And I have a full on day tomorrow, but I will prioritize to listen to the full workshop if I cannot be there on the whole time. And we'll have the link under the video so you can sign up and make a use of it because I'm feeling good because I confront my inbox every day or every 2 days and I get through them. Yet they can be very they distract me sometimes from really looking for the ones that are important. And yes, there are some people I follow as well, and it would be nice to prioritize them or at least get the ones done that are the most important for my business, and then get the sweet ones that I would love to read because there is something in it for me. Well
Yeah,
done.
and she will definitely be, Mindy will be talking about how to tag, how to sort. So then when you go into your inbox, it's easy for you to prioritize. Oh, these are the ones that definitely need to read and respond to. And it kind of goes through a hierarchy. So I think, yes, it's going to be really good.
Joanne, thanks very much for your time. And guys, jump on. The link is below, and check this out because I think emails are still the most. Let's say your email list is definitely the most important part of your business, but then taking care of your emails is just not optional. Like, you really
Oh,
need.
yes. Okay. We did not even go into talking about how I have seen there's such a big impact with your relationship with your email inbox directly impacts the way you show up for your own email community, for your email marketing. Again, 100 conversations last year. It causes business owners and entrepreneurs to not send emails to their own email community, to send inconsistently, to just not really show up fully, or they're writing, but they're kind of hiding and they still feel like they're bothering people. So when you're able to get into a right relationship with your own email inbox, it's going to make such a big impact on the way you show up for your own email community. So this is why I'm so excited for
Well,
this
we
shop.
have unlocked some new topics because definitely we could talk about this in the next episode. But for now, let's focus on your workshop tomorrow and tidy your emails up and maybe your heads up and see you tomorrow. Ciao.
Right.